Hey, this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. Today I've got another how-to PC video for you, and this one's going to be how to control when your computer puts your screen to sleep and when your computer actually fully goes to sleep. So we're going to start by going to the Start menu and going into Settings, and it says Display Notifications and Power. You're going to click on System, and then you see Power and Sleep options here. Now mine, you can see, only has a screen hooked up to it. This is a virtual machine, so I don't have all of the functionality that some PCs might. But this is going to say, when plugged in, turn the screen off after 10 minutes. Well, I can adjust this to however long I want to, tell it to never turn the screen off, which I probably wouldn't recommend for burn-in and things like that. If you leave the exact same image on a screen for a very long period of time, the screen can actually burn that image into itself, and that image can permanently be there and actually harm your experience when you're using your PC. So, but say that you want to make it an hour of inactivity and then the screen goes to sleep, you may can do that. So also most PCs will have like when plugged in, if it's a laptop, put computer to sleep after. And normally you'd say put screen to sleep after an hour and maybe computer sleeps after 2 hours or 3 hours. But it's really whatever you want for your needs. But that would be how you change when your screen and or computer goes to sleep. This is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. We'll see you again in the next video.